Module 1, Section 5, Objective 6. And it says, identify and apply the associative property of multiplication. So if you remember before, associative property was changing the grouping of numbers. Okay, so taking a look at these, you can see the 10 and the 3 are grouped together, and then the 5's on the outside of the parentheses. Over here, the 3 and the 5 are grouped together, and the 10's on the outside. It's still 10, 3, and 5, 10, 3, and 5. The parentheses have just moved around. Okay, same thing on the next one. 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5. Here the 7 and the 3 are in the parentheses, and here the 3 and the 5 are in parentheses. Okay, using order of operations to actually figure this out so you can see how it is the same. The top one, 10 times 3 would go first, so it would be 30 times 5. This one would be equal to 150. And on this side, we would have 3 times 5 goes first, so 10 times 15, which is also 150. Okay, and doing this other one, these numbers are a little more awkward. So over on the left, we have 7 times 15, and that is equal to 105. There you go. Over on this side, 21 times 5 is also equal to 105. It's not one that you can really do in your head, and I apologize for that. But you can see that moving the parentheses around doesn't change things at all. So this is what the associative property looks like when you write it out using letters or variables. And we'll get to variables later, but A, B, and C just represent any number. And you can see that you move the parentheses around. Okay, so let's choose any numbers we want. We can just go 1, 2, and 3 if you'd like. And this time we're going to put 1 out in front and 2 and 3 in the parentheses. Okay, on this one, rewriting it and saying NA if it's not possible. I would put NP for not possible, but that's just me, right? All right, here's our original problem, and you can see the parentheses moved from 18 and 32 to 32 and 17. Didn't multiply it out. You didn't need to. You're just rewriting the statement. Okay, now looking down on this next one, it's divide, so you can stop right there. It's not applicable since division is not associative. Right? C up at the top. This one's ours, so let's rewrite it. I'm going to do it underneath because that's the easiest to see. I'm going to do the 7 and 5 in parentheses and the 9 in the back by itself, but it's still multiplied. Okay, so that would give you the same answer if you were to work it out both ways. Now in your paper, in your packet, these two symbols are subtract. So they should be divide, because that's what we're talking about in this section. And it's going to be not applicable because division is not associative, right? Okay.